If you scroll down and look through my channel, you can see that I've taken my drone with me through Mexico a ton of times. I've droned in multiple places. I've droned in Playa, Tulum, Puerto Vallarta, even over a huge lagoon. But I still had the need to make this video because there are still rules and regulations when flying in Mexico, and some people might not know that. Like for example, the lagoon, I actually paid to fly over the lagoon, and other parts of Mexico, I didn't have to pay, but I had to be careful. So if you look in the description below, you can see a URL link to the rules and regulations of Mexico. If you're traveling anywhere, whether it be Mexico, Europe, in the United States, on a flight, you're always going to have your drone as a carry-on, so you're going to want to make sure that the batteries are dead. Whenever I go through Mexico through the customs, they either ask me to take my drone out or just leave it in the bag and they scan it. Nowadays, it's most likely that they will have you take it out and just have you show it, and that's it. And then you just go straight through. Sometimes you will have to sign a form, but I never claim the drone because it's not commercial, so I'm not going to be shooting something and getting paid for it. Recently, I had the opportunity to go to Guadalajara, and this was a little bit different. When we went through, customs actually had me claim everything, whether it was for commercial or not. I'm not sure if this was because there were a bunch of people coming through the airport and they just wanted to make sure that they checked everything, but I literally just went through, they scanned my bag, and that was it, and I got through. A lot of times when I've prepared to take flight with the drone, I always make sure to check my surroundings. Are there people around me? Am I going to bother anybody? Am I going to bother somebody who's taking a nap in their home? So I'm always like scouting the location beforehand, and when I do launch it, it doesn't really disturb people. People don't really make a noise. Like, people don't complain to me. And what's cool about this, sometimes people just don't care. I remember one time I had my drone out. I had it flying in front of me, making sure all the settings were correct. Then I launched it up. There was a guy actually maybe like a couple feet in front of me, and he never turned around. The only time he turned around is when I caught the drone and then just put it back in my bag. He didn't even realize that I was flying a drone. There's other times where people have come up to me and they're like, what are you shooting? They're mostly excited and they want to see. I remember there was a time where there was like a bunch of kids who were like so interested in what I was shooting, so I showed them and brought it back down, and it didn't bother anybody. The only thing that bothered me was I didn't see their parents or anything. They were just kind of all over the place. That was weird. That was actually weird. That was more weird than me flying. With that being said, be responsible when you're flying. Don't fly over people. Make sure your battery is fully charged. Don't fly on an empty battery. And just be safe. All the information is linked down below. Make sure you click that link and you will get all the information of flying in Mexico. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. What's up, everyone? If you look through my... God, why is it so hard? I feel like I haven't done this in forever. I haven't done this in forever. That's why it's difficult right now. But I'm sure that this video will get posted, and this is just something that I'll put at the end. It was weird because I was doing this so often, and now I'm just getting super tongue-tied and don't know what to say. Actually, no, I know what to say. It's on the script right here. I'm just not doing it. So you gotta give me a second. I'm talking to you guys. This is difficult, and it's starting to get hot in my room because of this light.